Welcome to the ETF.com video series. My name is Dave Noddick, Managing Director. I'm here at Inside ETFs with Paul Kim from Principal Global Investors. Paul, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Dave.
So you've been in the business here for a little while. Tell us what you guys are focused on, what's working, what's exciting you about the ETF space.
Sure. What's exciting is that investors continue to prefer or demonstrate their preference for ETFs relative to traditional mutual fund and other vehicles. And so we want to be competitive and offering our best investment products in this space. And so we continue to roll out, whether it's our recent launch of our Smart Beta ETF suite or continue to roll out active strategies where it makes sense. We're excited to, again, embrace the opportunities in this space and continue to address client needs in different wrappers.
So what's sort of new on the docket for you? Is it focused on fixed income?
Well, we have great sort of traction now. We have essentially 3 years under our belt. We've started to build out a track record in our Smart Beta ETF suite. We've navigated the recent bout of volatility, and our factor ETFs are delivering what they're designed to deliver. So we're excited about that, and as it shapes up, we're also partnering up with NASDAQ Dorsey Wright to create some models. We also have our internal asset allocation experts who are piecing together model portfolios. So sort of the combination of our fledgling or early ETF lineup is step one. And then step two, we have a lot of capabilities internally on the active side that have not yet been brought to market. So we're bringing some of those in the market over the next coming years.
Are you guys worried at all about that disclosure of portfolios, which currently is still the way all active ETFs work? You have to disclose that portfolio every day. Has that been a concern for your portfolio managers at all?
It hasn't been on the fixed income side. Now, it's not every fixed income sector, but certainly the investment grade and even some of your corporate high yield and investment grade side, we're much more comfortable. It helps to be buy and hold. It helps to be liquidity providers and contrarian. So those things help. And then the fact is, when you have multiple vehicles, you often have disclosure requirements, whether it's in separate accounts, certainly even quarterly. If you're not turning your portfolio over and you're a long-term value-centric investor, you have low turnover. So we don't feel the disclosure aspect is a detriment to every strategy. To some, and the ones where it's not a detriment, we're bringing those to market first.
Great. And so what else should we be looking for you to be doing here in 2019? What are you talking about at the conference? What's sort of getting you excited going forward?
Sure. So we think we have a really compelling strategic beta capability. Again, we're starting to show our relative outperformance compared to some of the traditional betas in that space. So as time goes on and we are doing what we claim that we could do and when we first entered the market, that's great. We're finding ways to combine those factors into portfolios. We're also bringing to bear our traditional core competency, which is delivering outcome-oriented investment portfolios through our asset allocation capabilities. We have over $120 billion in asset allocation. We've been managing retirement for a very long time. And so bringing that through model portfolios or through multi-sector ETFs, I think that's where our sweet spot is going to be in the near future. Plus, we have a great fixed income capability that we haven't really brought out yet because we've been so focused on our Smart Beta equity side. We anticipate we'll have some more fixed income products this year.
So it seems like you're really trying to become a portfolio player as opposed to a niche player.
Yes.
That's great. Well, thanks for joining us. And thank you for joining us here at the ETF.com video series. Stay tuned for more from Inside ETFs.